teachers. That means if the Bola Tinubu with Shetima, if they decide that they will be burning your markets, they go there burn am. You go stand by them. You no go talk. That is why when
Yes,
they are killing
yes, it's
our
true.
people, nobody they talk. That is why this morning again they burn the market of our people, and they will not come out and they talk or complain. Let me read the remaining one. The group lauded the success of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, for you to understand what we dey take, the group lauded the success of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as president-elect from February 25th, 2023 presidential election in Nigeria as gladdening to the heart. Hey,
Man, what is funny? What is funny, man?
It's very
hey,
funny.
oh my God.
They are monsters now, bloodsuckers.
He said, you see, no, why I'm laughing, I'm not laughing because what they're doing is good.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not
yeah.
laughing because I'm interested in what they're doing. I am laughing because those people that believed or that thought that Ohanaeze Ndigbo have anything good in store for you, they are looking for what they will benefit, not what will benefit Ndigbo, not what will benefit even you as their supporter.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
Do you see what they said? Yeah. They said the group lauded the success of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as president-elect from the February 25th, 2023 presidential election in Nigeria as gladdening to heart. Gladdening to heart. Hi.
Oh, just wickedness.
Okay. Ngwa. There. I'm Ambassador Tony Chiemelu Obizoba, Director General Implementation and Strategic Planning, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, General Assembly Worldwide, disclosed this in a statement on Sunday. Today, the statement reads, the group visualizes the success of the APC flag bearer in the election contest as one that will lead to unflying um, as one that will lead to unifying Nigerians for a focused development plan that we follow. Tinubu is capable, and we have no doubt in his capacity to ensure the continuity of the achievement of President Muhammadu Buhari. Hey, whoa, Chineke, man, listen. They said Tinubu is capable, and we have no doubt in his capacity to ensure the continuity of achievement of President Muhammadu Buhari, which are apparent, indisputably correct, and will continue to stand as good legacies for generations of leaders to come. In short, I know they read again. I know they read again. I know read again in short. I stop here. I know they read again. Because if I dey read this, I go the verse.
Yes,
No,
now.
make una dey see wetin human being that Buhari government that even little children are crying that it is killing them. And what the same Ohanaeze Ndigbo that are supposed to be your fathers representing you are telling you that they need somebody that will continue from where he stopped. That means if Buhari kill 10 people, let them come and kill 1 million people. It's for you Ndigbo to understand. In short, I will read this thing tomorrow and I go analyze them very well. Make I know just waste my make I know verse this. Tomorrow I go the verse dey read am, make una understand wetin we dey talk. That is it. That is it. I believe say they no go comot am tomorrow. You see? Do you see what we are saying? When we tell you that these people are evil, nobody dey gree understand am. Battle cry, you dey there, abi you no dey?
Are they here? I just trying to
Do you have
please.
anything to say? Or
Yes,
you are eating beans?
love this. I'm just taking lemon because it's cold. Hot lemon and onion. So just to cleanse my system and the nose, my nostrils.
Okay,
So
Ngwanu, if you are ready to talk, take mic.
all right. Thank you, Biafrans, again. Thank you for joining us this evening, and thank you again for having me as well in the show. It has been a long day. Like what our people are doing is just they're just buying favor, on a national newspaper. They are trying to say that Obi is not destined. Had they been Obi was given the mandate, they will say yes, it is time for Obi to actualize the president from the Igbo land. But you see, these people cannot trust them. They are there for their own stomach. They are there for their stomach infrastructure. You can never say that these people they are there for you. They will be that which they will be. Let me tell you something. It doesn't matter how you take monkey to Japan, take him to America, take him to Australia, bring him back. He's still monkey. So Ohanaeze Ndigbo is like they have already showed themselves who they are. How can you imagine? When children are crying that the country is not good, everybody is fleeing. Do you know how many number of people coming in here? They're dead. As I'm talking now, I'm harboring, uh, getting invitation. How many Nigerians are trooping here because there was an opportunity British people gave. Their people should come here to school. But Nigerians that are coming here now, they are not coming in the name of students. They are coming in the name of, greener pasture. So if country has gone wrong and people are running away and they are congratulating a country where president have, messed up the country, telling the Tinubu that is coming to continue from the achievement the previous the present government has done. They will welcome him to enforce that he performed well. What is he going to perform at what age? I mean, it's better you don't read this thing because it's annoying. Thank you.
Hey, no,
Actually, it's really
I will have this tomorrow. I will keep this tomorrow. I will use it for. In short, this is what I will do in the morning tomorrow morning. Make something else no come out. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have this program. This is the program I will have tomorrow. I will leave it here so that tomorrow I will not forget. That's what I will do tomorrow. Progress. Do you want to say anything?
no, yeah, not really, because just what you're saying here. This, these people is. I just want to is what I just look at them as they're using all those things to play politics. They're using it because what is politics? For me, for Nigeria, Nigeria is the worst place that politics get to that place. When you go to Nigeria, as in the head turn upside down. So they are using it to play politics. Because if could it be that will be one, they will still say, congratulations to our son, is this and that, that and this. That is, they know that is where they will go for brand envelope. That place they will get something. Anybody that won, they must get some. They must go there to be seeking for the interest of the person so that they will be able to get in something, picking from pocket, from hand to back. Just imagine the elders. There's this adage that our people say, as na ewu nọ, as like okay, no, no, ewu amụọla ndị. which means that an elder person is in the house. A goat give birth in a rope. So these people, instead to condemn things, condemn bad things, because they want to go to Tinubu and collect a brown envelope, get access, give them money, have this and that. That is the reason why now what they are doing, they are showcasing every Igbo youth, every Biafran youth, every Biafran, as far as you're a Biafra person, they are showcasing you in danger. Because the more they do those things, when you collect bribe, your conscience is dead. Anytime you collect from the back, your conscience is dead. You can no longer to speak. You can no longer have this thing to be able to say this is not right. Because whatever you take out that is not worthy taking, you are taking to close mouth, you are taking to support evil, you are taking to follow, as in to follow, to say that this thing that is good is bad, this thing that is bad is good. So these people, they are following this man now because they want to have access. They are worshiping Fulanis, they are serving them because they are getting peanuts, they are getting this, they are getting that. At the end of the day, these people cannot trust them. At the end of the day, these people cannot trust them. There is nothing they can do that these people can trust, because they know that they are coming for their pocket. You say yourself, you say your own person, you say everything about you. You became worthless because you don't have dignity. There's no dignity in them. There's no integrity in them because they have sold their soul, sold their everything. Then is it you that is just they for them they are for them they are nobody within them. They just say themselves, talking of you now aside. If someone can have heart selling themselves, what of the another person? So this thing is politics. They're collecting money from here to here, putting face from here to here. That's why Mazanaka said they are Ohanaeze Ndigbo and Dama. They are Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, because there is not who are they Ohanaeze for. This is the elders that when we come here, we need to give them accolade. But because of what they're doing, now, what are they Ohanaeze? As na he want a crane on Allah. As he want a crane who can pull order now. That when an elder person, so want a crane on Lelu now, when an elder and no, I'm not gonna for the thing. It's when that whatever an elder person is sitting down to see. If a child still climb on a tree, that you can still see the thing. But now, a child is sitting down to see things that the elder that is even in a tree cannot see. Because of these people, they are not representable. They are not represented. They don't represent us in any way. They can't represent us in any way. As Biafra comes now, you will still see they are also the same people that will come to put problem inside the nation to try to bring their confusion problem. But which I know that nation is going to be a nation because I believe in structure. When a structure speaks aloud, it's a foundation. But this thing, all this one now is politics. Their method of collecting money from here, from here, from here, from here. They believe in money. They believe in their pocket. They believe in their stomach infrastructure. They believe that they can, when they see it now, as in they believe, let me just get it now. They just be like people that will say, guys, let's just get this thing. They just say anything, go and collect 3 million, forget that, let's collect the money. That is the kind of people that we call our elder. They believe in that. They don't know your life doesn't matter, your life doesn't work. As in your life is nothing to them. They believe even if you will die, as far as that money has entered into our account, forget about it. At the end of the day, what next? So these people, I don't see all these things they are doing here. Obi, they have brought him on the way and leave him, and so that is also the next person. Anybody doing anything to believe on them, the person is on his own. On your tent, O Israel, that is what they will tell you, because they know you fail. They believe when you fail, you fail. They believe when you fail, you fail. When you win, you win. So they believe in win-win. They don't believe that they can help, as in make sure that what we are clamoring or fighting for, they don't believe on that. So these people, they are not our Ohanaeze. They shouldn't even call Ohanaeze Ndigbo. They should call Ohanaeze Ndigbo Ohanaeze Ndigbo, because they don't have they don't do things right. I'm sorry to if I'm trying to use a kind of insolence word towards them, but this is what at this point what they are trying to put on us. We that is as in standing, they're trying to put on us. Before an asnobo, when you sought an elder, something happened to you. Now, when you sought an elder, when an elder is wrong, you try to confront that the elder, an evil elder. You're going to confront an evil elder. So they can still learn. These people, they will never learn. As in, can never ever learn. Nothing will happen in Nigeria state that they must learn from it. That video you was playing today about the guy saying they want to still validate governorship election in Lagos State in that they can never still learn. As in, these people believe they learn only when their head is cut off. That's when they learn. That's when if they can learn. You see, until their head is cut off, they never learn. Even if you are shouting on their ear, they never learn. So they believe that us, that is, trying to bring things right, talking to them, telling them what is happening, that they believe that we don't know what we are saying. At the end of the day, they still see it, it plays, and by that time, it will become too late. That is just what I have to say here. Thank you.
Hey, if I tell you say the thing just if they do me like make they give me the Ohanaeze, make I put them inside one bottle. I go cover all of them, put them inside fire. They go burst there. It has to be now. It has to be. God forbid. God forbid. May God have mercy on us. Tomorrow we
Well,
go
please
read
send the
this
link.
thing, we go read and finish because the thing no be something where you go just read small, leave am. Make we read am finish tomorrow. No be because if I read am now, you no go analyze am. Tomorrow we go read am, go analyze am tomorrow. And for you to understand, they are now telling you that Buhari never do. Wetin him do na small. So make Tinubu start from where Buhari stop. They are hoping to see more of what daily post. You know, see am there na daily post.
Okay, thank
Daily
you.
post. And daily post.
All right.
And daily post newspaper talk am. No be say na fake. See am here, daily post. Because the content of the write up need analyzing one after the other because wetin dem talk there all of them need to be analyzed, not something that you go just look forget. We need to look into them and I no go fit go dey analyze all of them this night because I go tell you say if I tell you say I no tire na lie I dey lie and you go see say I dey yarn since wey I dey here because na sleep your brother wan sleep with that. So we go try make I go get small sleep at least. Make I go get small sleep. So now I want you to know that we have heard what Simon said anywhere. We don't hear am. Tomorrow, I promise, this thing now make I no forget am go do another thing in the morning. E be like say I go leave am, I no go comot am so that if I just open this computer tomorrow morning, I go see am. If not, I fit open am and I go dey do another thing because many things dey to do to talk. So I want us to know that we are going home. And tomorrow again, I want play that Simon video again. This today's broadcast. The broadcast boom boom boom. I go play am again tomorrow. And then but now this thing I go do first in the morning. Now this program I go do. I go try see if I go do 3 program tomorrow before evening. Even if na 1.5 hour and I want the limit the program it too the long 1.5 hour they okay because they go 3 hours now you know too good like that. So Biafra, so we'll listen to this music, but before we listen to this music, I want us to remember that we will always listen to Mazi Simon Ep.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
Okay. Before we close, we have to do our, at least if in our 1 minute or two. Okay, what we just take to do is so that we will close by 1.5 hour. We'll know send a 1.5 hour will run at this night. So see progress. You have the microphone. You have 2 minutes, I beg, so that make I go knock up sleep tomorrow and work.
Okay, Mazugo. Please, Biafrans, um, remain resolute. Remain steadfast. Do not panic. Everything is still in place. Everything is still going normal. So don't we let us just follow Master Simon Ekpa, follow the media warriors, follow Umada, follow everything the way it's going. Let no one just start thinking or start coming at what you think is not what you are seeing. Everything is still going the way it's going. Master Simon Ekpa said, the more you look, the less you see, and the game step up. The more you look, the less you see. The game step up. That is when you think that nothing is happening and something is happening, and that is the best way to confuse your enemies. The best way to deal with somebody is when you think that nothing, the person do not have a plan, and something is really happening. So please remain steadfast, remain resolute, and also know that Mas Samanekpa, he has as well said it on 9th of March, 10th of March, 11th of March, and 12th of March should is sit at home. Our people, one thing that is the problem we just have, and we don't listen. And as you just saying it now, a lot of people they will still go and be trying. You don't listen. As you this time around, what has happened is a clear distance to us, a signal to us. Even you don't really need anybody to talk more on this. You don't really need spokesperson to come and talk more on this. This is what you should know, that okay, at this point the decision have to be taken. But because of the people, all these people clamoring in the other platform, clamoring for Nigeria that they cannot sit, clamoring for Nigeria they cannot build, clamoring for Nigeria there is no how they can reset. So that's why you will not be able to understand those things. So I know election, stay at home, please, and do not validate, because anybody you validate, they will still bring them to come and kill you. And there's nothing you try to do to say Labour Party will win. And at the end of the day, they will install the person they want to put, and they will install APC person. This time around, it will be a Fulani person, a Fulani blood. Likewise, what happened in Imo State, and when this man, after the other man win, the now install Hope Uzodinma. So this time around should be a time that we need to obey, follow instructions, so that everything will be working accordingly. But one thing that I must leave for you here is this: we are going to Biafra, we are going to promised land. The Biafra that Tojuku fought for, the Biafra that Total have preached for, the Biafra that Mazi Simon Ekpa is fighting to realize for us. That is the Biafra we are going to. And the Mazi Simon Ekpa must be protected. He must be protected, because I know too well that, as in this time around, there is a lot of things, but God will protect him, and he must be protected, because while we are also planning, there on the other side, the enemy will still plan, but at the end of the day, they cannot prevail in their plan. Thank you, dear friends. May God Almighty Chukwu Abam be with you, give you grace to withstand the time. Bye. Thank you,
There we
Mazugo.
go.
Thank you,
There we go,
Mazuga.
Mazi.
Yeah.
There we go. Battle cry.
Oh, hi, Biafra. Thank you again for having me. Thank you for the nice submission by Seek Progress. We appreciate your contribution and your support for the spokesperson, Mazi Simon Ekpa, and the encourage you are giving to the Biafra people. Today marks the end of our countdown of Biafra activation, as it was written on the topic here. So, yes, the battle line has drawn, and I must congratulate each of every one of us who participated on this countdown that ended today. Just be resolute, keep on pushing until we get there. And thank you again from me from here. Good night.
All right, my wonderful people of Biafra, I must say thank you so much for standing by us. Senator, you say you never watched the broadcast. The broadcast you need to watch and go back and look for the program. I read Simon broadcast we do today. You will see me they all over every you full anywhere. But tomorrow I go do them again. So, my people of Biafra, I will say thank you for watching and good night from me. Maybe this one I want to see the one where we go listen to. But they go hear our noise and they go be.
Mma ịmalụ na anyị mebiri emebi maka ọ dabala de chena ọsọ ụmụọla bobi kaba nkịtị ilu adọrọkwa men funny before you consider about the road you love a journey oyo obi alụ lacha ịma nkọ na-etukwu mbọcha dapụzi alụ mụ na Chiemelu oge m ruo akwa mgbochi ekewa so no dị asịla na ndị ịma nghọta m ntụlụ ọcha Rising sun and shine, the feather buona me kwa Obelo gena, iga no alkai Iga no alkai, iga no alkai Me cholia, iga num potwai Iga num potwai Obelo ge wanne, iga no alkai Iga no alkai Aina maputa Iga num potwai Hustle go pay, money go there Mwana kwilu olu day by day Aya taga ofu seka ge But I'm on victory no on the way Adema koja Shade the wine me ni aloba Oyo di n'aka me para Olutema aka mpata ya ọkwa nkusa No retreat, no surrender No stretch until we take over Kansi kwado, so chukuma Ida anunta, agwa geba Soon you go know the vibe Boys are the otherwise If you ma imi at wise If you di chebun when grace arrive Obelo gena Iga no alkai Iga no alkai Me cholia Iga num potwai Iga num potwai Obelo ge wanne Iga no alkai Aina maputa Iga num potwai Obelo ge na